The following video is a National Hollow Spindle Lathe. We're going to run a brief video demonstration today. Steve is going to demonstrate the machine.
So the machine is currently hooked up to 233 phase power. We've got our on power here, E-stop, E-stop. There's an on switch in the back which I already have on, thus the light. So we're ready to go in forward speed, and we'll do this. Got the Delta Y, you heard that quick, that's the starter. It's starting in on one series and going to the other. Got the feed shaft turning. Feeding longitude, let's go to spin on this time. Nice. Yeah, that's not good. Top of this. Now stop. 1 ratio, 1 ratio. Make it rolling. Push it, make it roll. Speed. Watch it back up. Keep moving hard. Nice. Long. Nice. Nice. Longitudinal feed. Drop this handle down. Engage it. Cross feed it. Red dial's over here. It's not a lock. E-stop there, it works well, just E-stop as well. I'm going to change the gear ratio just so we can use the jog works. Okay. Jog is working. Okay, so we're going to F for our threading. I have to change the spindle speed for this to show you that threading. We have this in neutral position. Engage. Be threading over at this time. Bring it forward. Thread complete. I'll feed it toward the spindle just by reversing the feed. Okay. So now we'll go. Ready? Different speed range. A little bit slower. Different increase the range, the slow feed. That's beautiful. Cross feeding out. Pick a different RPM. Get it in a high range. Now this is 205, so this is getting with it a little bit here. digital gear for indicating your part of the dog is much more effective. You can indicate your truck, your part in on your horse truck. That's nice. Here, 142.
Again, the following video is a National Hollow Spindle Lathe.